We have no time. In the next 3 minutes, I will show you how to easily balance the Ronin-SC2 gimbal. Omahe, and let's get started. Balancing the new Ronin-SC2 gimbal is very similar to the previous models. It's super easy. Just follow my steps. Alright. First, learn that this axis on the back is the roll axis. This one though is the roll motor. The axis on the side is the tilt axis. And pan axis is the one at the bottom. Each axis has a lock button. Make sure to unlock it before start balancing each one. The Ronin-SC2 gimbal can hold up to 3 kg, 6.6 pound. And here I'm gonna use Sony a7 III with a camera cage and an 85mm lens. Alright, first unlock the roll axis. Turn it 90 degrees to the right and lock it back in place. Next up, unlock the tilt axis. This is the tilt axis. Next one, get the quick release plate and attach it to your camera. Check the arrow at the bottom. It should be facing the lens direction. Now get the lower quick release plate, the large one. Hold the gimbal plate safety button and slide the plate backward. Make sure to tighten the knob when you're done. Next one, get the camera and attach it to the gimbal. Also, you need to hold the plate safety button. And lock the plate knob when the camera is in position. So when using a large camera and if it doesn't fit in the gimbal, you need to move the plate to the left. Here it's your right. Here in this video, I'm not using the lens support, but you need it with big size lenses. Now we'll start balancing Ronin-SC2 gimbal. Unlock the tilt axis and hold the camera with the other hand. We need the camera to be balanced horizontally, and to do so, keep moving the plate back and forth until it's horizontally balanced. And make sure to lock and tighten the plate knob at the bottom when the camera is balanced. It's like a checkpoint. Now we need the camera to be balanced facing up as well. Loosen the tilt axis knob and slide the axis back and forth until it's balanced up. Certainly tighten the tilt axis knob when you're done. Okay, now because the camera is balanced, it should stay in place at any position. If not, you need to go back and check the previous steps. Next one is the roll axis. Unlock the axis while holding the camera, because the axis might fall quickly like this one, and you don't need to do that for your gimbal. Now loosen the roll axis knob. Hold the camera and slide the roll axis to the left. It's your right, I believe. Keep making adjustments until it's balanced. And tighten the roll axis knob when it's done. At this point, you may need to make slight adjustments to the previous steps. No worries, that's normal. Okay, now we'll jump to the pan axis. So this is how the gimbal should look like when the pan axis is balanced. The camera should be facing forward, and the tilt and roll axis should be leveled horizontally. Loosen the pan knob, and the best technique in my opinion is to fix the gimbal tripod on your belly. Indeed, you can do it differently, all is fine. So slide the pan axis up or down until you see the tilt and roll axis are leveled horizontally. Now once it's done, make sure to tighten the pan axis knob. Your gimbal is balanced now and ready to use. On this channel guys, we make cameras, lenses and filmmaking gear reviews. Thumbs up if you find this very helpful and bump the subscribe button for more. Thank you for watching guys, this was Oma and see you in another one.